Hello third years, Happy New Year to you. You were working on Monday on just some straightforward questions that we started before Christmas. Today we're looking at a few things with percentages, alright? So remember before Christmas, and this is the way we're going to deliver the classes. We're going to do some videos like I'm doing now, we'll do a few Zoom classes, and we're doing some Google Classroom assignments as well. So remember before Christmas, I say if I had a number of 120, right, and we did the spider diagrams. If I wanted to work out 50%, okay, that's 75. Calculation for that is 0.5, because 50% is 0.5 times 120 on the calculator. 25% is 37.5. Calculation for that, this is the important part, calculation, because we're going to look at more difficult ones here. 0.25 is 25 as decimal times 120, okay? So if I get 7% here, what I'm going to do is, on a calculator, this is all calculator work now as well, I know we did it just without a calculator before Christmas. 7% is 0.07 of 120, work it out on the calculator. If I want to work out 120%, 120% as a decimal is 1.2 multiplied by 120. Okay, so there's a couple of things I want you to, because you're going to work on these for the next couple of days, there's a few things I want you to be able to do. So one is working out the percentage of an amount. So without the spider diagram, if I give you a number 452, and I said work out 37% of 452. Just bear with the camera, it focuses in and out for some reason, but it does come up good, right? Of means multiply, so you're going to do 0.37 times 452. Press equals, there you are. If I want to work out 20% of 63, I'm going to do 0.2 times 63, and that's it. Okay? I know in primary school you might have done it slightly differently, and that's fine if you want to keep going with that one, but this is a kind of the shortcut method, I'd say, on that one, right? I know you might have done 20 over 100. That's the same thing. 20 over 100 is the same as 0.2, okay? So let's look at a different number now, and let's talk about that for a second. So if I've got 125, and I say to you, increase 125 by 20%. Okay? So 125 represents 100%, doesn't it? 125 is 100%. That's the base number we're given. We want to increase it by 20%. If we're increasing this by 20%, it's 120%, isn't it? So what we want is 120 times 125, right? So if we get an increase question, that's what we do. We take this as 100%, whatever we're increasing by, work out that percentage. If I said decrease 125 by 15%, okay, so again 125 represents 100%. If I'm decreasing it, decrease means getting smaller, by 15%, 100 take away 15 is 85, isn't it? So I want 85% of 125, which is 0.85 times 125. Okay, so there we've looked at working out percentages of amounts, and now we looked at increasing and decreasing percentages. Next section is the same thing, but we're using words like, well, not words, abbreviations like VAT. VAT is value added tax. We talked about that before Christmas. So if I buy a pair of shorts, right, shorts for €25. Really cool ones like Hollister, one of them. So it's €25, and then the shop charges plus 14% VAT. Okay, you don't normally get this in the shop, by the way, but we have to be able to work this out. The shop normally adds the VAT in already. However, this is an example of me buying the cool shorts. So we want to work out 25. We want to work out 14% on top of the €25. The €25 represents 100%. Focus, please, camera. The €25 represents 100%, so I'm trying to get the camera to focus. Oh, nearly. So if the €25 is 100%, we want to work out 14% more than that. You can do it two ways. One is to work out 14% of 25. Hang on, sorry, why isn't this? Sorry, bear with me, I'm just going to get this to focus in because it's going to annoy you and me. Alright, let's go here now. So, 14, so there's two ways we can work this out, right? So the total cost is going to be, you can work out 14% of 25, which would be 0.14 multiplied by 25, and then add that on. Or the shortcut method I want you to do is to work out, if that's 100% and we're adding 14%, it's 114%, isn't it? 100% plus 14% is 114%. So we can do in one calculation 1.14, we can do 114% of 25. Okay, so if we've got a value, we're adding VAT, we add it onto the percentage, and that's it. Okay, so same thing as increasing and decreasing. Right, so once you've listened to this video, you're going to try some of these for homework, or classwork I should say. This is the page we're on, page 84. So you should be able to do question 1, express these as a percentage in decimals. 6% equals 0.06, etc. 106 is 1.06. Increase 200 by 10. So that's 200 is 100%, add 10%, so 110% of 210, so 1.1 times 200. Decrease 120 by 15, so 100% take away 15 is 85%, 0.85 times 120. Okay. Find 80%, 0.8 times 400, 1.85 times 6. Okay, so I'm showing how to do these. Go back to my example about VAT a second ago to do these. So here VAT is at 23%. So we do 1.23, 120, that's 100%, we're adding 23%, 1.23 times 650. Okay. Question 5, we're adding VAT again. And that's it. Okay, that's your homework. I'll put it up in Google Classroom and we'll set up a Zoom classroom. Alright.